Today, we will see tricky objective questions. Question 1. Every number has a unique prime factorization. The statement is false. Only natural numbers greater than 1 have a unique prime factorization. Got it? Question 2. 1 is a prime number. The statement is false because a prime number must have exactly two distinct factors, 1 and itself. But 1 has only one factor, that is 1 itself. Got it? Question 3. A prime number has exactly two factors. The statement is true because a prime number has exactly two distinct factors, 1 and itself. Question 4. A number with one prime factor is always a power of a prime. The statement is true. Observe the example. The prime factorization of 8 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This can be written as 2 to the power 3 because 8 has only one prime factor, that is 2. In general, it can be written as p to the power n, where p is a prime number and n is a natural number. Got it? For more details, please refer to my old video. Question 5. Every composite number has at least one prime factor. The statement is true because a composite number can be written as a product of prime numbers. So, it must have at least one prime factor. Got it? Observe the below examples. Question 6. A prime number can have more than two factors. The statement is false because a prime number must have exactly two distinct factors, 1 and itself. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more tricky questions, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.